ओके सर सध्याचो स्टेटस कितें आसा म्हादय विशयाचेर?
म्हादय विशयाचेर आमी जी IAA फायल केल्या पळय ती वी आर ट्रायंग टू गेट इट ऑन द बोर्ड एंड इन सो फार एज अवर स्टँड इज कन्सर्न वी हॅव मेड इट व्हेरी क्लियर वी विल एट एनी कॉस्ट नॉट अलाव दिस DPR to go ahead although it is approved.
Okay.
We will try our best at the central government level as well as in the Supreme Court and come what may we will try to stop this.
सर कर्नाटका एनवायरमेंट क्लिअरन्साची तयारी करता तेजेर कितें स्टे हाडपा खातीर गव्हर्मेंट कितें करतले?
कर्नाटकाचे ट्राय करता इज नॉट एनवायरमेंट क्लिअरन्स इट इज कॉल्ड एज फॉरेस्ट क्लिअरन्स. ओके, we have already returned to the Ministry of Environment and Forest that no permission under the forest clearance under the Forest Act should be given for two reasons, that this is a wildlife sanctuary. Secondly, in terms of the order of Madhay Bachao Andolan, there is a complete embargo. Karnataka has made a statement before the Supreme Court saying that they will not go ahead with the project at Kalsa and Bajora. These two things are brought to their notice by a special letter that has gone on Friday by the Secretary Water Resources Department to the Secretary Minister of Environment and Forest.
How sooner you are trying to get it on board as far as Supreme
As early as possible, depending on certain other factors also, we should decide about the timings also. It is very important to decide about the timings when to take up the matter in the court. By haste, we don't want to take any decision which will hit back on us. See, according to me, it depends on the Supreme Court, but at least in next 15 days time, it will be decided.
You also talk about water management authority to be formed and all. That could also be a part of your process.
See, water management authority is already spoken to with the Ministry of
Correct.
Resources in the central government, and that is for the purpose of management of all this. In the sense that if any illegal water is being diverted by the Karnataka, that will be monitored by this authority. And as I told you earlier, we are insisting that the headquarters of that committee or the management authority should be in Panji.
But is there still options are open for the state, or it is only fighting in the Supreme Court, sir?
According to me, we should fight it on two scores. One is that before the Ministry of Environment, we should object getting any permission by Karnataka. Secondly, the Supreme Court.
What do you have to say about people coming out now? Because yesterday there was a huge crowd, huge meeting. People, as far as this mother issue is concerned, what do you have to say? Because तुम्ही पहिले म्हटलेले की लोकांनी बाहेर सरंग द्या, तर किती what was it?
See, what I want to say is that people cannot individually do anything. They have to support the government. It is government who is fighting this battle. And if you try to poke nose and find spokes or put spokes into the government actions and discourage the government, and if you put a scattered force, then it will not be good and in the interest of the government.
But don't you think so? It is right also that what people are doing from their side, whatever they can to highlight this issue, sir?
People should first understand what is the issue. If they understand the issue and then if they agitate and make their point of view, it will be better. Half ignorance, full ignorance is not good for the cause. Any cause is defeated by the ignorance of the people and misleading that takes place. So therefore, my request to everybody is please try to understand the issue first and then come forward.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.